Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the story of one of India's most respected industrial names, HMT, Hindustan Machine Tools. Established in 1953 by the Government of India, HMT began its journey with the help of Citizen Watch Company from Japan. What started as a machine tools company soon became a trusted name across the country. HMT is best known for its wristwatches. In the 70s, 80s, and even 90s, owning an HMT watch was a matter of pride. These watches weren't just stylish, they were built to last. Simple, strong, and reliable, HMT watches were often passed down through generations. Whether it was a wedding gift, a retirement present, or a reward for hard work, an HMT watch always had meaning. But HMT wasn't only about watches. The company made tractors, printing machines, bearings, and more. It played a huge role in supporting India's factories, farms, and workshops. HMT machines stood for quality and consistency. They helped build the backbone of Indian manufacturing. With time, things changed. The rise of digital and smartwatches, along with foreign competition, hit HMT hard. In 2016, the government decided to shut down the HMT watch division. For many Indians, it felt like the end of an era. Even though production has stopped, the legend of HMT continues. Vintage HMT watches are now collector's items, and their machines are still running in many parts of the country. HMT wasn't just a company. It was a symbol of India's industrial strength and self-reliance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know if you want a shorter version for YouTube Shorts or need it translated into Urdu or Hindi.